Welcome, friends, to Old Oaks Farm. I'm Shannon. We're here in the farmhouse today. So we've put out the last few flats of our lettuce mix and some other greens, spinach and some other things. We put it out underneath the Agribond, and we're going to see how it does over the next few days. It's supposed to get down to 25 tomorrow night, a good hard freeze. So we'll see. Overwintering any kind of crop is always a risky business, especially something as sensitive as greens, as lettuce. So we'll see how it does. I really wasn't sure how it was going to look, but it really looks nice. I'm really happy with it. I think she is too. We're happy with our floating shelves and our backsplash and our countertop. They all look really nice, if I do say so myself. I wasn't sure if I had the skill really to tile this countertop and the backsplash and make it look right. And I will say that there was a couple places I got in a hurry, and I wish I would have slowed down and made it a little more level, but just from a look standpoint, it really looks nice, and I'm really happy with it. So we do need to get the outlets in, and Dad's going to be working on that. Also, we got a refrigerator. It's a really nice refrigerator. Mom and Dad got a new one, and they let us have their old one, which is really generous of them, and I'm really grateful. I'm a little worried about one thing. It's a larger refrigerator than we had planned for. Nice refrigerator, but the stove is going to go right here, come out to about there. So anything big that we bring into the house will have to come through the front door. Also, I'm still debating on what to do with our beams in the living room, and I wanted to get this finished before we put down the floor in the living room. It would be a lot easier just to paint them. That breaks my heart to say, because I really don't like to paint that nice looking wood like that, but we need to get in the house, and it's just a big job. And the other thought about that is we got this gray, so we got this gray looking stain to match the gray colors, but it's not going on very well, and I probably messed up on that too. I bought the stain that already had the poly in it because I knew this was going to need a couple coats of poly. And it's not soaking in. It's not soaking into the wood very well at all. So I'm going to sand that today and put another coat on it. But we'll see. We'll see. If this turns out okay, I may go ahead and stain the beams in the living room.
Good morning, Jolene. How are you this morning? We're not going in the house. Yeah.